So, good morning to everyone. The topic of our presentation is Punjabi cuisine. So, we have a number of students those belongs to Punjab. So, before the starting of presentation, I will ask some question or we discuss about Punjabi cuisine first. Then we start the presentation. So, Arshdeep, Arshdeep Singh,
Yes, good morning, sir.
good morning. Beta, tell me something about Punjabi cuisine.
Yes, sir. Punjabi cuisine is a cuisine style originally in a Punjabi region in the north part of the India restaurant and many different cuisine restaurants.
Just
And
speak
it,
loudly, please.
okay, sir. Punjabi cuisine is a cuisine style originally from the Punjab region in the north part of the India. And it is only available Indian Punjabi food in the Punjabi region in the part of the India.
Okay, Arshpreet Kaur,
Yes, sir. Good
tell me
morning, sir.
something about Punjabi cuisine. Good morning.
Sir, Punjabi cuisine is originated from Punjab, and it is the part of northern India, and it is also available in India and Pakistan. And in India cuisine, it's like a thali of Punjabi dishes in which there are several type of dishes like rice, dal, dal makhni, naan, and paneer, mix sabji, paneer, etc.
Okay, Sukham,
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
in Punjabi cuisines, there will be butter chicken, chole bhature, and pronthas, paneer tikka, rajma chawal, sarson ka saag, which is very famous for Punjabi cuisine, and makki di roti.
Okay, this is the dishes of Punjabi cuisine. I'm asking something about Punjabi cuisine. Tradition of Punjabi cuisine or culture of Punjabi cuisine.
Sir, Punjabi cuisine is known for its rich, buttery flavors along with the extensive vegetarian meat dishes. One of its main features is its diverse range of dishes. Restaurant-style dishes use large amount of ghee and butter. Some food items are eaten daily, while some dishes are cooked only on special occasions.
Okay, good. Harjot, 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 Ashmi,
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
good morning. Tell me something about Punjabi cuisine.
Punjabi cuisine is rich of many local ways of cooking.
Yes.
Which is now divided into Indian part and Pakistani part.
Yes. Okay, good. Now we start with the Punjabi cuisine. Now, first an introduction and culinary history of Punjabi cuisine. That is Punjab, land of 5 rivers, that is Beas, Satluj, Chenab, Ravi, and Jhelum. Now, Beas and Satluj in these days situated in India only, in Punjab only. Then rest of the Chenab, Ravi, and Jhelum diverted to Pakistan. Okay. So start जो इनका है चनाब रावी और झेलम तो इंडिया में ही है, बट जो है अभी जो क्रॉस हो रही है वो that is in India, in Pakistan. Okay, this is also called as land of milk and honey. Perhaps it would be appropriate to call it a land of plenty. Punjabi cooking and eating is just like Punjabis themselves. Okay, it is simply for the right. Punjabis are hardworking and fun-loving community by nature, with food and enjoyment very much a part of their lives. So Punjabi cuisine is the famous in in India as well as in the world. Okay, so as in these times, as you know, there are approximately 160 to 165 countries in the world. Okay, so 80 to 90% of the Punjabi community lives in every country. Okay. Sanket Kumar, unmute yourself. Mute yourself. So Punjabi cuisine is never complicated. Now is the one of the main techniques of Punjabi cuisine, especially for non-vegetarian cooking. It brings to mind images of appetizing food. Now, what do you mean by appetizing? That is, जो जिसको देख के भूख लग पड़े. Okay, your mouth will be appetized. ठीक है. Or Bunao, just as we read in our previous PPT of Indian cuisine, Bunao is the main technique that is used in Punjabi cuisine. Bunao means to cook it very well. Being an agricultural state, the staple food of Punjab is wheat, and to accompany hot rotis and parathas are a variety of the most exotic vegetarian and non-vegetarian delights. Okay, so in the tandoori, we have a tandoori roti, we have a tawa roti, we have a simple parathas, we have a stuffed parathas. Okay, so main thing is wheat. The earliest reference to the region's food are found in the Veds, which documents the life of the Aryans in the Punjab. Amazingly, the elements mentioned over 6,000 years ago are still extant in this cuisine. This includes milk, clarified butter, that is desi ghee, curd, leafy green vegetables, variety of grains, etc. If you see in the today's, the staple Punjabi is grains and vegetables in their basic form. Ayurvedic texts refer to vatika, a dumpling of sun-dried spice, specked delicious, made with lentil paste called vadi. Many of you have already ate vadi. ठीक है, तो वो कैसी बनती है? That we have dried the vadi, now make the paste, make the paste of dal. Okay, shape it with adding the some spices, shape it of vadi, then dried on with the help of sunlight. Punjabi cuisine has always been strongly influenced by Mughals, invaders who brought up with them the tradition of great tandoor, and now Punjabi tandoori cooking is celebrated as one of the most popular cuisine throughout the world. Okay, like if you are talking about, uh, we are discussing about the tandoori chicken, okay, tandoori fish, okay. So because of this, Punjabi cuisine is a famous in every place in the world. Okay. Please answer this poll. 100% participation is mandatory. Those who didn't give the answer, they will mark as absent. So Chandigarh is the right answer. Out of 26 students, 23 are participating. So out of 23, 22 gave the right answer. That is Chandigarh. The Amritsar is the wrong answer. So read the questions as well as answer carefully, then answer it. So regional cookery in Punjab, Peshawar, the most northern western of districts in British India, is a Pathan country, and the fare is akin to the food eaten in Afghanistan. As I already told you that Punjabi cuisine influenced from the Peshawar cuisine. Okay, northwest frontier. The market in Peshawar handled besides large volume of cambric scales and indigo, spices that came from Hyderabad, saffron from Kashmir, sugar, salt, tea, and asafoetida from Delhi. The exports were raisins and dry fruits. different things are different, originated from other places and countries. Yes, Prince Kumar. Like Rawalpindi covered with oak, olive, and chestnut. Okay. Now, the Balochistan bounded on the south by Arabian Sea and extending in the north to Afghanistan. Balochistan touches Persia in the west, Sindh and Punjab in the east. So in the Balochistan, breads are made from wheat and jawar, that is barley, cheese of different kinds, and integral part of the diet. And among the vegetables, onion, garlic, and fresh asafoetida stocks are used. Rice and fish are the staple diet along the coast. Among the birds, chakor and grouse realized. Now we start with the Amritsar. Where we live and studying there, shaped like a oblong between the Ravi and Beas. So Ravi river is situated in the side of Amritsar near to Ajnala, that is approximately from 25 kilometers from Amritsar, and Beas is far away from 40 kilometers far from Amritsar. The district northeast of Gurdaspur and southwest of Lahore. Okay, so northeast हमारे पंजाबी है, that is the city situated is Gurdaspur, and south from with the Pakistan border, that is Lahore. So we do have a mango, jamun. The chief crops are wheat, gram, barley, maize, rice, cotton, pulses, and sugarcane. The region is famous for its buffaloes and milk product. Fish is also very commonly served here. Okay. So read this carefully. I will ask some question. If you have any question, then let me know. Anyone have any question till now? Students from Bihar, you have any question?
No, sir.
Bihar. So now you can see is Amritsari fish is very famous. Okay, many of you tried who regular to eat a non-vegetarian food. Okay, तो और क्या क्या फेमस है अमृतसर में?
सर कुलचे छोले।
कौन से कुलचे छोले?
आलू वाले।
Amritsari kulcha, that is known as Amritsari kulcha, served with chickpeas, or you can say chana masala. और क्या फेमस है?
सर सरसों का साग।
वो तो ऑल ओवर पंजाब में है ना, अमृतसर की बात।
भटूरे छोले, न्यूट्री कुलचा।
So now there is some equipment used in Punjabi cuisine. First one is madhani. Okay, so what is madhani? It is a wooden churner fixed to a brass pot. It is used for churning out butter from a cream. ठीक है, इसमें से निकालते हैं ना मलाई में से मक्खन with the help of madhani. Now next is chakna belna. In English we can say in wooden platform, or for belan we called as a rolling pin. In Punjabi we call it chakla belna. They are used for rolling the dough to make various Indian breads such as chapatis and puris. Kadahi, it is a deep concave utensils made up of brass, iron or aluminium, and is used for deep frying and also for a journal. आप सबने देखे हुए हैं ये इक्विपमेंट सारे हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं. Next is kaddukas, that is a grater to grate the food like onion, ginger, garlic, coconut, carrots, cucumber, bitter gourd, ghee, etc. Chanani, that is sieve, that is used to strain stiff flour. Next is masala dani. You see as masala tray, that is a spice box. It contains commonly used dry spices, both whole and powder. Next is poni for a frying food. Karshi ladle. It is actually a big round spoon for stirring of dal or mixing food, even serving it. Next is tawa, that is used to make Indian breads. Next is tandoor. Then how we explain tandoor? It is a clay oven chamber which is lit with a live charcoal. It is used for baking various Indian breads, kebabs, which includes roti, white meat, fish, prawn, etc., and other items. The fuel used for tandoor is charcoal, wood, electricity, and LPG or CNG gas. Next is bhatti, that is used for grilling kebab in open fire. Next is concha, it's a flat metal spoon used for stir frying, sauteing the ingredients. Next is chimta, meant for holding the hot objects. Example is roti or turning items like chicken or any other vegetables for shallow frying and deep frying. Now next is cuisine characteristics. So before we are starting, answer this code.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
Yes.
सर रॉन्ग क्लिक हो गया, वैसे ट्रू होगा एंड फॉल्स हो गया, गलती से हो गया।
Okay. So the answer is true. Guys who जो भी आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं, they will mark, he or she will be marked as absent. So most of the menus of Punjabi cuisine that is made with the reference of the season. Okay, so for example, we have a makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. When we get cultivate the sarson ka saag is in the winters. Okay, so we got the same in the winters. Whole wheat is a different from its staple of this area. Rice really cooked plain or steamed, and it is always made with a flavoring of cumin and fried onions, which is served with rajma or curry. So if we talk about curry, okay, na, the Haryana is asking about the curry is a dish from the Haryana, or we talk about and we talk about Punjab. They also say the same that curry chawal is the cuisine of Punjab. No. So if we talk about अगर हम यहाँ से शुरू करें कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी, so कड़ी सभी जगह बनती है, लेकिन the way of their cooking, the way of the ingredient they used is a different. कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक सब जगह कड़ी बनती है, लेकिन हर एक का अपना मेथड है कि उसको कुक करने के लिए, ठीक है, एंड हाउ दे यूज देयर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. In winter, rice is cooked with jaggery. Okay, so that we ask as gud wala chawal or with green peas. In the mid of Jan, in Amritsar or in Punjab, used to make a rocky kheer. That is a kheer made it from sugar cane of juice, which is cooked on a slow fire for hours together with sugarcane juice. Even bajra is predominantly used in the some parts of the state. Okay. Use of ghee or refined oil or mustard oil in the Punjabi cuisine. The pride of Punjab is winter cuisine is sarson ka saag, mustard leaf served with blobs of white butter, okay, accompanied with makki ki roti and lassi. All lentils, especially black gram and yellow gram, are part of Punjabi cuisine. Rajma or chana are also very popularly used. The main masala of Punjabi dish consists of onion, garlic, ginger, and lot of tomatoes fried in pure ghee. Okay, so if we want to get a good flavor of the dish, we have to add a clarified butter, that is a desi ghee. In most of the Punjabis home, you can say is they make their desi ghee themselves by collecting the cream from milk on the daily basis. Some typical ingredients used in this cuisine includes black carrot, that is kanji, mango powder, dried fenugreek leaves, pomegranate seeds. Punjabi cuisine is also characterized by preparation of dairy product in the form of malai, paneer, cheese, curd, buttermilk, and butter. Though chicken is favorite with non-vegetarians, fish is also considered a delicacy, especially in the Amritsar region. So Amritsari fish fry is very famous in all over the Punjab and the world. Anyone have any question till now? Answer this question. This is a multiple choice. So guys, all answers are correct. But out of 20, only 9 students gave the answer that is clay pot. So clay pot is the most famous equipment used for Punjabi cuisine. ठीक है? Those who lives in village or they are having background from village, उनको ज्यादा पता होगा ये. So if we cook food in the gas range, the flavor is the different. If we cook food on the tandoor, the flavor is different. If we cook food in the tandoor, the flavor is different. If we burn tandoor with charcoal, the flavor is different. We burn tandoor with the wood, the flavor is different. We burn tandoor with the help of electricity or LPG, CNG, the flavor is different. ठीक है? If we cook in the utensils, aluminum utensils, the flavor is different. If we cook food iron utensils, the flavor is different. If we cook food clay pot, the flavor is also different. ठीक है? So we in the Punjab, in Punjab villages, they have a small type of chula, or we ask a small type of tandoor. They burn the wastage of the animals, ठीक है? Wastage of a cattle, dry it, then used to burn it for cooking of food. ठीक है? तो उसका जो उसको हीट है वो बहुत स्लो चलेगी एंड जो फ्लेवर है फूड का वो बहुत ज्यादा है. One thing that makes Punjabi cuisine so special, that is tandoor. ठीक है? We are talking about tandoor. In rural Punjab, the community tandoor dug in the ground is a meeting place, just like the village well, for the women folk who brings the needed atta and sometimes marinated meats to have to cook them. ठीक है? तो क्या होता है, माइट भी किसी ने अभी देखा हो, मुझे नहीं पता, आप में से किसी को पता है या नहीं, that they fix the tandoor in the ground, okay, ठीक है, and some of the peoples nearby people go with the जो needed आटा है उसकी डो लेके जाते हैं वहां पे, तो they used to eat a tandoori roti, okay. Tall glass of lassis made of yogurt tempered with either salt or sugar are popular cooling drink of Punjabi origin, but is quite popular all over the country. Okay, so the base of the lassi is Punjab, but now in these days it is popular in all over the country. Then there is also paneer, a must in the vegetarian Punjabi menu. Several delectable items are made of this rather bland divided of milk. Creations like kadai paneer, makhni paneer, paneer tikka, okay, grilled paneer, that is made up from the paneer. Basically Punjabi, but are well loved all over the country. Firni is a sweet dish that is made up of milk and rice flour and sugar. Okay, served in the clay plates. Okay, read carefully. Answer this poll. Anyone have any question? So anyone have any question till now?
No, sir.
Saif Raja,
No,
Saif
sir.
Raja,
No, sir.
you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So Punjab's another grand contribution, that is the dhaba, which is situated on the roadside on the national highways and state highways. Okay, earlier frequented only by truck drivers. Today, it is in vogue to eat dhaba at an urban or roadsides. Like you have seen in our nearby college, we have a road Bina dhaba. We have a haveli that is also called known as the dhabas. Okay, so one of the silent feature of Punjabi food is diverse range of dishes that can suit at any plate. The food could range from spicy to sour and sweety to tangy. खट्टा भी है, मीठा भी है, spicy भी है, and जो है वो tangy भी है. So now the festivals of Punjab. We
Excuse
have
me,
a
sir.
yes,
The slide is not visible.
not visible. क्यों?
Yes, sir.
लोहरी लिखा नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, बस ब्लैंक दिख रहा है.
अब
नो सर. यस सर, अब आ गया.
now it's festival Punjab, that is Lohri. Lohri is a festival of zeal and work and the marks of the culmination of chilly winter. It in true spirit of the Punjab culture, men and women perform bhangra and gidda, popular Punjabi folk dances around the bonfire. ठीक है, so what is bonfire? इकट्ठी लकड़ियों को करके उसको जलाना, and we used to put the wastage of animals as well as to burn for the burning purposes, and the popcorns, chivade, okay, revdi, etc. Now next is Baisakhi. So how the Baisakhi originated is a celebrated with joys of music and dancing. Is New Year's Day in Punjab. It falls on April 13. Though once in 36 years, it's occur on 14th of April. It was on this day that the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, founded the Khalsas, the Sikh Brotherhood in 1699. The Sikh thereof celebrate this festival as a collective birthday. A Swedish called anaris is prepared, made using fermenting batter of rice and wheat, and shaped into cup shape. Now next is Basant Panchami. So Lodi is the famous in Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Pathankot, Tarantaran area, and Basant Panchami is famous in the Sangrur, Barnala, in Malwa side areas. Now we have a do have a Gurupurab. What is a Gurupurab? The Sikhs have the 10 gurus. Okay, so we celebrate their birthdays. The Sikh festivals are celebrated as Gurupurabs. They either mark the birth anniversary of or the matron day of Sikh Guru, the devotees attend the langar or the common meals where everyone eat the same food, irrespective of caste, class, or creed. Devotees offer their services for cooking food, cleaning the Gurdwara, or carrying out other chores. This is called the Kaas Seva. The food is served with the spirit of Seva, service, and Bhakti devotion. ठीक है, तो जो food आपको serve किया जाता है लंगर्स में, that is not for any getting any money. That is only for the Seva and devotion. On Guru Arjan's Martyrdom Day, sweetened milk is offered to passers by. ठीक है, on the 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji is the 5th Guru of Sikhs. ठीक है, so Punjabi eating style. Winter in Punjab brings in the season of famous makki ki roti, that is maize flour and sarson ka saag. No meal is complete without serving a lassi, sweet or salty, made up with curd or fresh curd and white butter, which is consumed in large quantities. The most popular example is the Murg Makhani. It is served the state well to combine the influence in its cooking, since it had a lot of pure ghee and butter. Murg Makhani also provided a balance to tandoori chicken, which was dry because of the charcoal cook. ठीक है, तो मुर्ग मखनी हम कैसे बनाएंगे? That we have a tandoori chicken. Now another side we have to make a butter gravy. Okay, makhani gravy. Mix it both and seasoning with salt and other masalas and served it. Naan and paranthas, roti made up of maize flour, are typically Punjabi breads. Of course, over the years, the roti has been modified to add more variety. So there is a rumali roti, the naan, and the lacha paranthas, all cooked in the tandoor. Now, next is langar. The history of langar is, raise your hands जिसने लंगर खाया अभी तक. All students. No, good. So the history of langar, free kitchen was started by the first Guru of Sikh, that is Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It was designed to uphold the principle of equality between all people, regardless of region, caste, color, creed, age, gender, or social status. ठीक है, तो सभी कोई भी है, doesn't matter if they have a president of India, doesn't matter who is a sweeper working in the president of India's house. ठीक है, they have to sit together and eat food. In addition to the ideals of equality, the tradition of langar express the ethics of sharing, community, inclusiveness, and oneness of all humankind. Guru ka langar is a community kitchen run the name of Guru, often referred to the Guru's kitchen. It is usually a small room attached to a Gurdwara, but a larger Gurdwaras such as Harmandir Sahib, it takes on the look of military kitchen, which the task arranged so the teams of Sevadars prepare tons of food for the thousands of Guru's guests daily. Okay, so in the weekends, the Harmandir Sahib served approximately 1 lakh people on the daily basis. Okay. Langar is said to be a Persian word that is translated as an almshouse, as asylum for the poor and destitute, a public kitchen once kept by a great man of his followers and dependents, holy persons, and the needy. Some scholars trace the word langar, Sanskrit alangra, that is cooking room. In Persian, the specific term langar has been in use in an identical sense. In addition to the word itself, the institution of langar is also traceable in the Persian tradition. The rules of traditional langar is simple vegetarian meals prepared by the devotees with the listening or singing of Gurbani. It is served after performing of Ardas, the prayer to the God. The food is distributed in Pangat without any prejudice or discrimination. All food must be fresh, clean, and hygienically prepared. Thank you. Any questions? Anyone have any question? Everybody get it? समझ आया सबको? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Please make a new Google create account and send it
Sure,
PPT
beta,
on
sure,
class.
sure. I will share by today on.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you so much.